We did research online, and we got several facilities in the area, and we came here first, and we loved it. And I loved the attention that was given with the examination. It was so thorough. And again, I had had so many instances with eye doctors. When I saw the test that they were giving him, I said, this is for me.
I cannot explain how well they took their time in examination, and how thorough that was, and covered every question I had asked for on the upside and the downside.
They explained everything. Every process.
And I felt very comfortable with that. The procedure went so quick. I was really surprised. It seems like it was 10 minutes. I think the whole thing was 10 minutes. I walked
in fact, as he was coming out, I made my appointment.
Yeah. And I was amazed how the next day, I'm talking about the next day, I could read the New York Times. I think in next 2 days, I was back on the tennis courts.
He was driving.
I was driving, yeah.
I was
driving.
Yeah.
LASIK is very life-changing. I would recommend to anyone that I've seen wearing glasses.
And my quality of life is 100% better. And sometimes people, when I talk to people about it, they'll say cost, but it's so expensive. But at the end of the day, when I would go for an annual checkup for new glasses, I would land up spending $1,000.
It's a great investment. It is a great investment.
It's the best investment.
It was.
Yeah,
you can't beat that for the quality of life.
You can't. You can't. Knowing what I know now, I definitely would have done it a long time ago. Cost would not have been an issue if I knew then what I know now. And it's what I tell my friends. So what else can you say?